Hello Portfolio Kids, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to find your way around Schoology. So you can see my main page right here. You're going to click on this fancy link saying Advanced Art Portfolio. Go ahead and give it a click. And for those of you who have been in my classes before, you already know my formatting. There are multiple folders right here, and each one of these folders contains specific information. So up here, the syllabus and project proposals are in this folder. Also, our student blog links are in this folder. And then we've got our resources, which is where you're going to find the majority of your assignments now and in the future. And then we've got our SOPs. So those are our standard operating procedures. The one that I want to talk about is this one right here. We do go through units, and so you're going to see that this one says September on it. That's what you're going to want to look for, is the month, because that would mean that we are specifically doing that now. So this is unit 1. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and you can actually see that there are assignments in here, actually a lot of assignments in here. This is where you're going to find what is due and what is coming up. So you can see that we're going to be doing a diagnostic and adding your blog and so on. So that is an easy way to kind of figure out what we're doing and what's going to be due in advance. The other way, and a really simple way of keeping on task, is this right-hand side will actually give you your assignments, and also this handy link up here to your calendar. You can click on that and you'll be able to see what is due in my class, but also it should have all the classes that you have things due in. So it's a very handy tool if you want to keep up on what is due. Other than that, you're going to be able to see resources. I will be putting new folders on here. A major resource that you do need to know about. These are the folders that you will be choosing your assignments from. Most of you will either be doing a 2D portfolio or an advanced photography portfolio. And so you'll click on one of these and it will have everything that you need to know about this term in portfolio. So you can go ahead and look at these. It tells you the topics that we're going to be going over, along with your other assignments and what is due for your final. So you should know everything you need to do in this class for the whole term based on this information right here. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, you can always contact me. My information is always on my main page right here. And you can see email is right here, my study hall times, and then I will be placing Zoom times on here as well. All right. If you have any questions regarding how to find stuff on Schoology, just let me know. All right, I'll see you in class.